Hi, I'm Stephanie, and these are my 3 LABMARANERs. LABMARANERs are a cross between a Labrador Retriever and a weimaraner, and we have 3 of them. This here is Mocha. He's our 9-year-old brown LABMARANER. This is Nuala. She is our 5-year-old white LABMARANER. And finally, this sleeping girl here is our 7-year-old black LABMARANER, Anubis. We are headed to Figure 8 Island in North Carolina. It's about a 5.5-hour drive from us. And we're going to spend some time on the beach, walking on the beach and fetching balls, playing in the water, and overall having a great time. I hope you can join us.
All our stuff is packed away in the back and the dogs are in the car. We are headed to our beach house at Figure 8 Island, North Carolina. Figure 8 Island is right next to Wilmington, North Carolina, and the dogs usually get to spend about 5.5 hours sleeping while we drive there. We enjoy a lovely sunset after our first night on the island. Since the dogs like to catch balls on the beach, we wait until low tide to head out. Low tide isn't until late in the afternoon, so we've been working and the dogs have been sleeping while we wait.
Bored, Miss Nuala? You bored? Is it nap time, Anubis? You taking your afternoon nap? We are waiting for Jim to get ready. He's changing his pants and maybe looking for socks. But we're gonna go out to the beach and the pups are excited and getting impatient, as am I waiting. I've got the bags and the treats and we just need to pick up the ball and the thrower and we're out to go.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of just in time. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never
big dogs, it isn't all just about having fun. We also need to constantly be training them. So we try to make training fun.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, that's very good. Very good. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Nuala. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. All right. We're going to see which many of these 3 pups can leave it for 15 seconds without breaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay.
Stay. Leave it. Play dead. Play dead. Play dead.
As the sun sets, it's time to head back and do something the dogs don't really enjoy, which is bath time. Both Nuala and Mocha rather enjoy bath, but Anubis, she is just not a fan. We don't know if it's because she has shorter hair than the others. All we know is she does not like bath time. The dogs enjoy bath time or not, it's a necessary evil. And we have to remove all the sand and dirt from the dog's fur, otherwise it results in skin irritation.
Come, Nuala.
The beach has come to the end and we head for home. Once we cross the bridge, we're now off Big Great Island and we have another 5.5 hours left before we reach home. Again, the dogs sleep while we drive.